Hi, I'm Bobby Albert, and I have something really special I want to share with you today, and that is my latest book has arrived, and I want to show you how special this is. It's my new book, True North Business. This book has taken me over 40 years as a CEO with School of Hard Knocks of learning principles and practices, and it's come together in this, my latest book here. One thing is so special about this is that it's taken me way over a year to get it published through editors after editors after editors, and also the book cover, the process of going through that. And I am so excited that I want to get this book into as many hands as possible, and that is the reason why I want to offer it free to you.